Even in well-managed gardens, problems happen. Pests appear, diseases spread, crops fail for reasons that are not always obvious at the time. The Plant Health Monitor exists to help you deal with problems properly and to learn from them. This is not just about diagnosis, it's about memory. When you notice an issue, you can take a photo and send it to Rowan. That photo might show pest damage, disease symptoms, stress patterns, or general decline. Rowan looks at the image alongside your garden's data, where the plant is growing, which bed it is in, how dense the planting is, recent weather and conditions. Rowan then helps you understand what is likely happening and what actions make sense. That advice is not generic. It is grounded in your garden. When an issue is identified, it is recorded to you in the Plant Health Monitor. It stays active until you take action and the issue is resolved. This matters because it creates history. GrowTrack does not forget what happened in your garden. Here is why that is powerful. Imagine you had late blight on your tomatoes in a polytunnel. You grew 36 tomato plants in one bed. Airflow was tight, humidity built up, the blight spread quickly and wiped out the crop. That information is recorded. The next season, Rowan remembers it. When you plant tomatoes again in that same space, Rowan can advise differently. It may suggest reducing plant numbers to improve airflow. It may suggest drip irrigation to avoid splashing spores up from the soil. And it may suggest mulching to reduce soil contact and moisture spread. Not because these are rules, but because they worked or failed in your garden before. This is what makes GrowTrack different. Problems are not just fixed and forgotten. They become part of your garden's understanding. Over time, this builds real intelligence. Your garden becomes easier to manage. Mistakes are not repeated. Decisions improve naturally. The Plant Health Monitor is especially useful when issues are caught early. Small signals are easier to respond to. Early notes are easier to learn from. Use it when something looks off. Use it when you want confirmation. Use it when you want to build knowledge, not just react. Rowan connects the past to the present. Each season becomes smarter than the last. In the next video, we will look at the Garden Health Library and explain how it supports learning alongside your garden history.